Hey guys, Anthony 16 MCD here for episode 2 of OP Factions. Okay, I'm getting a little loud. Um, so yeah, in the last episode we established our pig farm. Just gonna show you that real quick. I did a lot of stuff, killing. Um, yeah. See, as you can tell by my levels alone, the heck, hentai X. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that. So yeah, look at those levels. Um, and check out this. How many pork chop is that? Plus, I still have more and more. So yeah, this is actually a fully redstone furnace. I can also add a chest here, but yeah, I should have put a trap chest, and I don't want to make a trap chest right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna sell all of this at the shop. And oh yeah, don't mind this. I just got this randomly. Somebody just threw it at spawn. So yeah, slash warp shop. Okay. Um. Okay, it's so laggy. The heck. Oh, okay, there. So yeah, episode 2. What the? Yeah, I'm lagging. Okay, sell. Wait a minute. Uh, ooh, so much money just by selling this. I can always get a spawner. The heck? Okay. So that's all. It's actually $5 apart. So yeah, slash home. Um, so today I want to show you guys a technique on how to increase your repair skill. As you can see, repair. See, I'm already at level 31. Actually I repaired my sword a lot. Actually I already got everything ready. So yeah, you're just gonna need a few cactuses, some sand, of course a pickaxe, some iron armor. If you're below level 50, iron ingots, and a block of iron. It's my block of iron here. So there. So yeah. So I usually always make a room for my cactuses. So I still hate the block glitch. Um, okay, so lava's very near. Should actually put my gamma down now because it's actually very bright. Okay, video settings, bright, turn it down, turn it bright, and it's back to normal brightness. And I just got my mining up. Mm, for me, this is a little small. And I'm just gonna extend it. Okay, whoa. Am I underwater? Okay, I need to edit that out. Am I underwater? Ak, ak, ak. Okay. I'm surprised this hasn't been cleared out yet because almost all ravines and caves are cleared out. Actually, this is a lot of stuff. This skeleton and torch. And I still don't know why I still don't have kit advertiser because I did post the video. I should really have the kit. I'm just gonna tell them at their website about this because I do need the multiple homes just to keep me safe. I hate this glitch. Come on, break, break. Screw you. The lag. There you go. Okay, the lag is actually very bad. Actually, I can hear my pigs. I think my pigs are just over here. Yeah, but I'm not looking up there. You might know where I am. Seriously? Seriously? Yeah, I'm not gonna bother them. Okay, so this underwater. Ooh, that lag. So there's sand. Seems like there's more over there. But yeah, I'm not gonna check that out because of the main thing about this episode. Okay, that scared the hell out of me. The fire aspect. I won't use fire aspect because I won't get the ender pearl. I really hate the sound of Enderman dying. So yeah, collect the torch so nobody know I was here. So they're gonna know I was here because of this, but they're just gonna think that it's ordinary person. But another thing, they can hear the pigs. So yeah, I'm just gonna need ordinary stone for this. Yeah, one stone. Boom. So yeah, cactus room. So what you want to do is just replace the ground with sand. Sand is actually very easy to find, and you can always buy it, but not on this server. You can't buy sand on this server, only glass. So yeah, let's get taxes. Um, sorry, recording died. Um, why can I only plant one? Oh yeah, I remember this problem. Oh, Usually when this happens, there's not too much sand around the cactus for you to put it down. So what you just do is this. It's just easy. See, make it that all its sides has enough sand. So yeah, make it 2 blocks high. Put an iron block near it. So that's gonna be your anvil. Put your armor on. Make sure you have iron ingots. I suggest you fill up your inventory. So yeah, so when you just shift click to get your armor to repair it, it's gonna go directly to your hotbar. So yeah, see, and it's actually super fast because there's two freaking armor. And I suggest if you have iron armor, you should eat some notch apples because you're just gonna regenerate everything you lose. See, see, see. I'm taking damage like a boss. Okay, this is damage enough. So this is what you're gonna do. Just right click the iron block, like what I showed you last episode, and repair it. See? Yeah, I'm just gonna do this until I'm level 50, and I'm just gonna show you guys after level 50. So yeah, bye. So yeah, guys, I just hit 50. As you just saw that in the right corner. So yeah, so this is what you can do when you're level 50. If you're 49 and below, you can only repair diamond, as you can see slash repair. Um, yeah, here, see, diamond repair at 50 plus skill, repair diamond armor. See, so yeah, I won't waste diamonds just to make more. I'm not gonna use that. So wait, slash kit PvP. See, this is why this faction is so OP. What's the rest? So yeah, this is the armor I'm gonna use. And why do they give you so much notch apples? Like you're just gonna PvP for days. So yeah, just get one of each. Yeah. So yeah. Oh, idiot! I forgot to get it. So see, just put it on. Um, so I know you're gonna think it's enchanted. So this is what you're gonna do when it's enchanted. But first, I use some diamonds. Mostly like for an OP faction like this, this is what you're gonna do if you get so much diamond armor that you don't even need. Just take, see, just take 1 damage, and the durability is already down. So repair, see, confirm, and the enchantments are gone. This only happens when you're not skillful enough. As you can see, you were not skillful enough to grip the enchantments. So yeah. See, slash repair. Mm, so yeah, see, I arcane forging, 100% downgrade chance. This will increase by milestones. So the first milestone is 100, and I don't really know the second milestone. I think it's 250. So yeah. Since I already show you the secret of this, I'm not gonna continue it any further. I'm just gonna do that off camera, and I'm gonna show you what level 600 does in the near future. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off. Just put it here. So mostly in the factions, you can actually train every skill without actually doing anything. Plus, I am gonna move very soon because I don't want this all in one place. I'm just waiting for kit advertiser. So an iron ingot. I am using an iron pickaxe so I can repair it easier, and that's the biggest scam I have ever seen. So yeah. Mm. What was I gonna do again? Oh yeah. Second thing I want to do in this episode is um, you know, what was that again? Yeah, make a farm sugarcane because sugarcane actually sells for a lot. So yeah, I do have lots of dirt and sand. See, dirt. I am going raiding maybe next episode, but not now. So get daily. Why is there so much stuff? Okay, please, just seriously. Yeah, as you can see from my reaction, this server is actually super OP. Well, they're not gonna call it OP factions if it's not OP. So yeah. Also, one tip: if they give you lava, where is that? See here. What you can do with this is just grab a bucket, put it down, pick it up over here, then put lava. Boom. And since it's not a waste because see, there's so much stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna exchange that. By the way, guys, I am getting my premium at the end of the month. So yeah, so nobody can hate me for getting this cracked because I am buying Minecraft. I just not right now. See, and I need this 3 high. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna cut it because I do know this is very boring. So yeah, guys, see you later. Yeah, guys, I'm back. So this is the sugar cane farm. It actually looks really good for starters. Because this is just a simple sugarcane farm. I'm not making this overly big. That's gonna be for the next phase. Um, so yeah, I already bought all the stuff I need for the next episode because I thought I was actually recording. Yeah, I know, I'm stupid. I thought I was recording, so I already bought all the stuff I need for the next episode. I actually just got these things for free. I'll make fireworks. So yeah, in the next episode, I'll just make a nether wart farm and a little alchemy. So yeah, actually, what we're actually just gonna do is go through all of the stats. Um, Wood cutting is actually very easy. I don't. That's actually self-explanatory. Excavation we handled in the next. Taming as well. Archery. That's actually easy. Fishing, swords, axes, and unarmed. I'm not gonna show you archery, fishing, because fishing is boring. That's actually very obvious. But I'm just gonna show you the bad part about fishing, and that's rude. Swords actually easy, but I am gonna show you that, guys. Wood cutting, that's actually very easy. You're just gonna cut down wood. That's basically it. There's no better part there. There's no good part, I mean. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna show you acrobatics because I already show you repair. And this is also um herbalism as well as what I'm gonna do next episode. Herbalism is actually pretty OP, not gonna lie. So yeah, let's just go to warp. No, no, it's not warp. It's just spawn. Spawn. Why don't these things grow? So yeah, I'm just gonna show you my acrobatics. So acrobatics is actually gained from direct fall damage. So uh, that was a fail. So yeah, this is what we're just gonna do. I won't go there because that's the war zone, and just jump off. Lag. I didn't get any damage. Yeah, maybe it's just lag. Lag. Let me try that again. Again, no fall damage. Wait a minute. Um, yeah, I just didn't need to defrag my computer. Maybe it's slowing down. If you guys don't know how to defrag your computers, I am gonna show that um later on. So yeah, maybe now I can finally get fall damage. And acrobatics will actually help you a lot. Actually, very much. Mostly if you're good at PvP. See, acrobatics increase. So slash acrobatics. See, roll reduces or navigates fall damage. Graceful roll, twice as effective as a normal roll. To get a graceful roll, when you jump off, just press shift and you're gonna do a graceful roll. Dodge reduce attack damage by half, and actually navigates all damage if it's high enough. So yeah, roll chance, graceful roll chance, and dodge chance. Graceful roll is higher because you just need to press shift. So yeah, that's acrobatics. Pretty easy. Yeah. One thing is you do need good um don't just do this too high if you don't have this kind of armor because this kind of armor protects you from fall damage. And you might hear my dog in the background. Yeah, that's the that's my dog. His name is Mackie. He's a pit bull. Yeah, a pit bull. You know those dogs that keep in Caesar Milan that keep biting people. It's actually pretty good, just pretty loud. Mega builder. Oh, that's one of my friends. Damn. Maybe because I'm in safe. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, guys. I'm just gonna show you my bal. How much I got offline. 19,000. Pretty good. I did buy a lot of stuff. So yeah. This is the furnace room. I just want to show you spawn because we still have time. Um, Furnace rooms, anvils. You don't actually use the furnaces. This is mostly called the enchant room because you can enchant. This is level 30. See, see, level 30. And I don't know who's gonna use these because um, you just go kit PvP. Maybe you want the looting sword. Yeah, you're gonna do that. So yeah, that's just basically the whole episode. We're gonna tackle more about the stats because I am gonna end this series if you get all the stats because by then I'll already have a premium and I can already do more stuff. And when I have a premium, yeah, I can show you better factions than this. Oh, not OP factions. And plus, I don't want this skin. Yeah, it's a Steve. And yeah, I know that cave is just fake because this is in the war zone. What? Redstone lamps. Um, okay, this just piqued my curiosity. I'm just gonna check it for a second. Hope we don't die. And acrobatics are just increased. Hoorah! Big drop, stay out. If you do press the filter, it will soon just come. Try to press the button for proof. Um, that is actually very risky. Jump. No, that's not that easy. Whoa. Is that void? No, it's just water. Ooh, ooh, parkour. Kill him. Ah, it's actually pretty good for the acrobatics. Nope, fail. Yeah, I knew I was gonna fail that. Diamonds. Can we mine this? No. Mm. Oh, crap. Oh yeah, guys, I'm also making a map, a parkour map. If you guys want to check that out, I do need some testers for the map. Crap, I keep losing my sprint, and my dog is so loud. So what am I gonna do from here? Oh, I should have pressed the button. Yeah, slash spawn. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the episode. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a subscribe. And I actually really need a lot of help. My dog is so loud. Okay, he's getting louder. Okay, what did I press? Oh, Twitch broadcasting. I don't do Twitch. Oh, okay, left. So yeah, guys, that's just the rest of the episode. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, goodbye. I'm Anthony 16 MCD, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.